Hi everyone. Yeah, let's tilt this up a little. Welcome back to Katarina's Garage. My name is Katarina Lloyd, and actually today we have a package. These are actually, told you guys about these for a while, and well, finally had the money to order them and get them here. So these are the sequential taillights for Stitch, my '81 Mustang, which we're gonna do an unboxing here. I haven't, I got these yesterday, but I haven't opened the box yet. You can clearly see, you know, it's all still taped up and everything. So I'm not sure what to expect here. We shall see here shortly. So, it seals quite well, so I'll give a try with that. And these actually came from Classic LEDs on Instagram, but the way how he wants you to contact him is through email, which I will give you guys details on that, plus a discount code that you guys can use over the next month for it. So, let's see, there's the instructions here. Okay, cool. So it actually does come with, you know, instructions and stuff, so that's nice. Hang on, let me put my knife away because I don't need it anymore, I don't think. And let's take a look. Now, this could have been packed tighter, but other than that, it seems to be well bubble wrapped and stuff. Is there anything else in there? No, there's not. Oh, and there's a cool little, oh, these are cool. This is a, these are pins that he makes. These are like a foxbody pin for like the Mustang, except for it has a fox instead of a Mustang. It's pretty cool, actually. Maybe that'll go up in my dash on my car. That's cool. Anyways, I don't want to litter here. Let's open this up. Maybe I will need my knife again. They're very tightly bundled though, so that's nice. It's just loose in the packaging, so I'm gonna have to inspect this thoroughly just to make sure that it's not damaged. Should be okay, but you never know. I mean, this is pretty almost overkill on the bubble wrap, but for good reason. It is fragile. It's fragile electronics, so. And when these will go in my car, I'm not entirely sure. You guys will see a video on that though. There will be an installation video, which this takes a bit because you do have to do quite a bit to actually install these, from what I've heard. Okay. There we go. Kind of. There. And these are all, he makes these all by hand, custom made, so it's pretty cool. And there should be, I think, floorboards here, which I will put the video that I took of what these will actually look like, that he took for me towards the end of the video, and you guys will see what these will do when they're on the car. It's just, I don't have them in my car yet, and I don't know when I'll get these in, to be honest, because I have a lot on the go right now, but when I ordered these, I didn't have quite as much on the go. They're very, very dirty, though. So I'll have to get some contact cleaner and clean the points, but other than that, and yeah, and it's not much to look at, really, because it's just a bunch of circuit boards and wires and stuff, but, well, there's part of it. I think that's the reverse light, and this is the, you know, the non-reverse. This is for the actual signal light and tail light, right? So, okay, I got that with all the connections and stuff, which we'll see when I read it of how this all goes together. And I'll give you guys a close-up once I open this one, too. It just, they're dirty, but, ew, actually that almost looks like a pop stain. Yeah, not that's almost what that looks like, because you take a look there. You know, I'm not sure if something was spilled on these or what, but they're quite dirty. So I'll have to come through with some contact cleaner and clean this all up, which I have some, but I didn't expect to have to do that. Usually this should be all good to go, right? You shouldn't have to do anything to it, so this is interesting. We'll see, because yeah, I'm not fluent in the electronics, to be honest. I'm not very familiar with it. Thankfully there's instructions, so hopefully we'll get that all done and all good. But you know what, yeah, well, here I will let me grab the camera here and give you guys a closer look at this stuff. And I'll give you guys, there's actually a discount code and everything that you guys can use, because he comes highly recommended by a bunch of different people. So I just you know, just again, that right up there is quite dirty, and all over these boards they look to be really dirty. So I don't think it'll affect how it works, it's just the overall look, right? Just doesn't present very well. And like, so that's the back side of it, right? This is the front. And there will be, I'll put a small video at the end of what these will look like when they're actually working and installed. But if you guys are interested in any LED conversions, it doesn't have to be a sequential kit, it can literally just be an LED conversion for your ride. Contact Travis over at Classic LEDs. And actually, he prefers you email him. So if you email him at sales@classicleds.com, and if you use the promo code, which you'll just use it in the email basically, of Katarina 724, you will get 10% off anything over $150 before shipping by August 15th. So you have 1 month, right, to get a 10% discount, anything over $150 before shipping, US dollars. And yeah, so I have these. Honestly, they don't look too bad. I just need to do a little bit of contact cleaner on them and get them all up and going. I do know that when you buy anything like this, I do need to actually take the taillight apart, like the actual lens itself, to put these inside. So that's kind of a pain in the rear, but that's okay. You know, and I'll have to look at how it is, honestly, because I'm trying to remember. It's been so long since I messed up the taillights and that thing. And to make it work that way, because these are just like a plug and play, which I think I see how they go, because, well, here is the, you see it right here. It's one of these type of plugs, and you would just tighten that into place, and then this would act as where the bulb would actually connect to. So yeah, this should work out, I think. Should work out just fine. It looks pretty good, honestly. I don't see any, like, issues. It's just, again, a little dirty. But other than that, it looks good. Plus, I really love this little fox pin, which I didn't think he was going to throw one of these in, because he makes these, right? But look at that. That's so cool, right? Yeah, I did not expect him to do that. So I really do appreciate Travis doing that. You know, there will be a full install video on all of this, so it's just when I do that, I'm not sure. These might not go in for a bit, but also I might just ask help from somebody in town that knows a little more on electronics than I do, because I know you have to swap out the original flasher to an LED type flasher, and you also have to put a wire to the negative side of the brake switch, if I remember correctly. I'd have to go through my messages again with them. But other than that, so you have to do one wire, you know, well, two wires, I guess, but one, you know, all the way up and combine them into one, you know, at the brake switch. Pretty simple, honestly. It's just kind of a pain because I have a carpet in my car. Which, granted, I need to lift up the carpet anyways due to the fact that, well, my carpet isn't exactly in place properly. Well, it is, but what I mean by that is there's a bolt for my seat belt that is underneath the carpet. So currently I only have 3 seat belts in the car instead of 4 because of that. I know exactly where it is. I can feel it in the carpet. It's like, ah, son of a bitch. And I don't want to take it all apart just to do that, but I'm gonna have to anyways. It's just one of those deals, right? that's all good. You know, there's some other stuff coming down the pipeline too. I'm going to be going to gonna be checking out some cars on an auction, and you know, I will show you guys. I'll video that as well. I'll be probably going with my buddy Cody because it's not for another month, so we got plenty of time to go do this. Is when it starts, anyways. So yeah, me and him will go out. Probably go out and stitch. You know, or if he wants to take his Mustang, it's up to him, really. And yeah, just have some fun that way, right? And go see some cars. He's a big Mustang enthusiast. Like, he really, for the most part, it's just all Ford and Mustang. Although, he does like some other ones too, but those are his main ones. Mine is Mopars, but I do like my Mustangs too. And there's a couple of Mustangs at that sale that he might be interested in, and you know, we can maybe work out a deal. I might be buying a couple of trucks this weekend. There's an old International that I might be checking out tomorrow, and then there's a 72 International 1310, I think. Could be wrong on that, but doesn't have a motor in it, but I know where one is. Kind of selling one with a motor in it that works. And then on Sunday, might be buying a Dodge Ram. So we'll see. You know, if that one comes through first, I don't know, or if any of these two will, just because, I don't know. When dealing with other people at times, it just happens where sometimes it doesn't happen. So hopefully it does, because I really want this. It's a 3rd gen Ram that single cab short box 4x4. They're a really cool truck. I've always liked them. It's a Hemi truck too, so fingers crossed that I get that one too. And I don't know if I'd sell that one or potentially sell it on again, or like keep that one or sell it on again, right? So yeah, but anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Thank you all so much for watching. You know, yeah, there will be an installation video on this. There's stuff down the pipeline that I'm going to be doing. Unfortunately, I got news today. If you guys are wondering updates on Papa Smurf, which is the 78 Civic, well, unfortunately, the fuel pump got sent back, because trying to DHL, I hate DHL. I will never use DHL again, because this was ridiculous. They sent this thing about a month ago, basically, and then it just took forever. And then through some digging, which I really didn't find this out till yesterday, that they sent, after it said undeliverable on the tracking, it's like, what the hell, I couldn't get a hold of DHL. They sent it to Canada Post, which I couldn't find that till yesterday, and by today, they sent it back already. So that's the fuel pump for the car that we've been waiting for over a month. That's why there's been no progress on that car, because we have all the other parts. You know, but until we have the fuel pump, I don't really want to work on the car. Not yet. So, yeah, my dad's going to order another one, because I'm not ordering another one of those. Screw that. It's just ridiculous. I don't want to mess with that. And honestly, I have so much other stuff on the go right now, money-wise, that I need every last dollar I can get. Because also, a buddy of mine up in Kalmar actually has a rear end and the rear window that I need for my car. So we can finally begin on getting those louvers made. And that'll be really, really exciting, and I can't wait for that. Honestly, it'll be so awesome. You know, so yeah, fingers crossed, everything works out that way. So instead of the plastic louvers, I'll have metal louvers that are like powder coated and ready to go and amazing, right? And that'll better fit the window too. So, and what I do with those louvers after I'm done, who knows? Maybe, I've tried selling them, but honestly, it's just, with shipping, it's just costing way too much. So, what I think I'm going to do, maybe when I hit 1,500 subscribers, I'll just give them away, but you have to come pick them up. I'm not shipping them, basically, right? It's going to be one of those deals. So, yeah. Anyways, hope you guys did enjoy the video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did, you know, please like the video as well, because every little bit helps me. Comment down below anything else you might want to see, and yeah, as well, hope you're staying safe during COVID-19. Good luck with whatever you're working on, and if you want to contact me, you can at Katarina's.garage on Instagram or Katarina's Garage on Facebook, and yeah, we'll go from there. So anyways, I appreciate all of your love and support, and you know, I wouldn't be doing this without you guys. So we've hit over 1,000 subscribers. I am really excited about that. I do have a small giveaway. There's gonna be a couple things added that are just gonna be stickers and stuff like that. So keep an eye out for that. And And yeah, we'll go from there. So anyways, love y'all. Talk to you later. Bye!